Welcome back your channel. We discussed in previous class your NCERT book chapter 2 polynomial exercise 2.3 question number first and question number second we discuss. Now today we discuss another question number 3 and question number 4 and question number 5. Question number 3, obtain all other 0 of 3x power 4 plus 6x power 3 minus 2x power 2 minus 10x minus 5 if two of its zeros. Two zeros are given this polynomial root 5 upon 3 and minus root 5 and 3. Given px equals to 3x power 4 plus 6x cube minus 2x square minus 10x minus 5 and root 5 upon 3 and minus root 5 upon 3 are two zeros of px. Then x minus root 5 upon 3 and x plus root 5 upon 3 are factors. These are root, then x minus this root are factor of px. So px is divisible. So px is divisible by x minus root 5 upon 3 multiply x plus root 5 upon 3 equals to a minus b multiply a plus b equals to a square minus b square. On dividing px by x square minus 5 upon 3, we get this division process. Dividend, divisor, first term of dividend, first term of divisor, first term of find out, first term of quotient, then first highest power term of dividend divide highest power term of divisor, then find out 3x की power 4 divide x square, then result 3x square. 3x square multiply this 3x square multiply x square 3x power 4 minus 3x square multiply 5 upon 3 3 cancel 5x square plus minus plus this cancel out 6x cube minus 2x square plus 5x square plus 3x square minus 10x minus 5. New dividend, highest power term 6x cube divide highest power term, highest power of x term of divisor is x square, then 6x cube divide 6x cube divide x square, 6x cube divide x square, then result 6x, then second term of quotient 6x multiply this 6x cube minus 5 upon 3 multiply 6x, then 3 2 ja 6, 2 5 ja 10 minus 10x plus 6 then minus then plus, this cancel out, remains 3x square minus 5. First term of new dividend 3x square, first term of divisor x square, then 3x square divide x square, then result 3. This divisor multiply 3x square minus 5 upon 3 multiply 3, then 3 cancel out, then minus 5. 3x square minus 5 plus minus plus, this cancel out, remainder 0. By division algorithm of polynomial, px equals to gx multiply qx plus rx, px equals to x square minus 5 upon 3, qx 3x square plus 6x plus 3, remainder is 0. So px equals to factor this 4 zeros of px, put px equals to 0. Find out zeros of px, then put px equals to 0. then x square minus 5 upon 3, 3x square plus 6x plus 3 equals to 0. X square minus 5 upon 3 equals to 0. This equals to 0. This solve. X square minus 5 upon 3 equals to 0. Then x minus 5 upon 3 x plus. So this root, these zeros are given. Then solve this. 3 common, x square plus 2x plus 1, x square plus 2x plus 1, 3 not equals to 0, x square plus 2x plus 1 equals to 0. X plus 1 multiply x1, this factor x plus 1 multiply x1 equals to 0. Then x plus 1 equals to 0 or x plus 1 equals to 0, x equals to minus 1 and x equals to minus 1, minus 1 and minus 1 are other zeros of the px. Next question. Question number 4, important question. On dividing x cube minus 3x square plus x plus 2 by a polynomial gx the quotient and remainder what x minus 2 and minus 2x plus 4 respectively then find gx on dividing x cube minus 3x square plus x plus 2 by a polynomial gx, the quotient and remainder were x minus 2 and minus 2x plus 4 respectively, then find gx. Solution. given px gx find qx quotient rx remainder given px equals to polynomial x cube minus 3x square plus x plus 2 quotient qx equals to x minus 2 remainder rx equals to minus 2x plus 4 and gx find by division algorithm of polynomial px equals to gx multiply qx plus rx. We know division algorithm of polynomial px equals px equals to gx multiply qx plus rx. Then px x cube minus 3x square plus x plus 2 x cube minus 3x square plus x plus 2 equals to gx multiply qx. Qx means x minus 2 plus rx. Rx equals to minus 2x plus 4. This transfer this side. X cube minus 3x square plus x plus 2 equals to gx into x minus 2 ट्रांसफर दिस साइड माइनस 2x इधर आएगा तो क्या हो जाएगा प्लस 2x प्लस 4 माइनस 4 gx मल्टीप्लाई x माइनस 2 x cube minus 3x square x plus 2x plus 3x plus 2 minus 4 minus 2 equals to gx multiply x minus 2. Gx equals to x cube minus 3x square plus 3x minus 2 upon x minus 2. Then x cube minus 3x square plus 3x minus 2 divided by x minus 2 we get x cube minus 3x square plus 3x minus 2 divide x minus 2. First highest power term of x in dividend x cube, highest power term of x in divisor x cube divide x square, x cube divide x square, then first term of quotient x square multiply this x cube minus 2x square minus plus cancel out minus x square plus 3x minus 2 minus x square, highest power of term new dividend minus x square, x, then minus x minus x minus x square minus minus plus 2x plus minus, this cancel out, plus 3x minus 2x, x minus 2, x divide x, then 1 plus 1, x minus 2, 0. This implies that gx equals to this polynomial divide x minus 2 equals to gx, then quotient of this x square minus x plus 1 equals to gx, x square minus x plus 1 is gs. On dividing these polynomial by a polynomial gx, the quotient and the remainder were x minus 2 and minus 2x plus 4 respectively, then find gx. Given px equals to, gqx equals to, rx equals to, and gx is fine. We know division algorithm of polynomial px equals to gx multiply qx plus rx. px equals to px, gx फाइंड करना है आपको, qx given x minus 2, rx given, rx transfer this side minus 2x plus 2x plus 4 minus 4, gx multiply x minus 2 plus x plus 2x 3x plus 2 minus 4 minus 2 equals to gx into x minus 2, gx equals to x cube minus 3x square plus 3x minus 2 upon x minus 2. Then x cube minus 3x square plus 3x minus 2 divided by x minus 2 we get, ये डिवीजन प्रोसेस, we get quotient x square minus x plus 1, this is gx, gx equals to, therefore gx equals to quotient of this division x square minus x plus 1. Next question of your book, exercise 2.3. Question number 5. Given example of polynomial px, gx, rx. Given example of polynomial px, gx, qx, and Rx which satisfy the division algorithm. First example given, example of polynomial px, gx, qx and rx which satisfy the division algorithm, and satisfy degree of px equals to degree of qx. Second, degree of qx equals to degree of rx. Third, degree of Rx equals to 0. Degree of Rx equals to 0. Degree of px equals to degree of qx. Give the example which satisfy the division algorithm and degree of px equals to degree of qx. First, let px equals to x square plus 2x plus 1, 2x square plus 4x plus 2, gx equals to 2, rx equals to 0. By division algorithm, qx equals to px upon gx, then qx equals to px 2x square plus 4x plus 2 upon 2 equals to 2 common x square plus 4x plus 2 upon 2, 2 cancel out, qx equals to x square plus 4x plus 2, 2 common 2x plus 1. Degree of px 2, degree of qx 2, then satisfy these. Satisfy division algorithm. Degree of qx equals to degree of rx. Second, px let px equals to x cube plus 2x square plus x plus 1 gx equals to x square plus 1. By division algorithm, px equals to gx multiply qx plus rx on dividing px by gx, we get x cube plus 2x square plus x plus 1, x square plus 1. X cube divide x square, then x cube plus x two x plus 2x minus minus cancel out, 2x square plus 2x minus x plus x plus 1, 2x square divide x square, then plus 2, 2x square plus 2 minus minus x plus 1 minus 2, then minus 1, qx equals to x plus 2, rx equals to x minus 1. This implies that degree of qx equals to degree of rx, equivalent, satisfied. Third, let px equals to x square plus 2x plus 3, x square 3x square 6x, degree of rx 0, reminder x square x cube plus 2x square plus x plus 1, gx equals to x square plus 1, x square minus 1. On dividing px by gx, x cube plus 2x square plus x plus 1, x square minus 1, x cube x square, then x cube minus x minus plus 2x square plus x plus 1, x plus x 2x, x plus x 2x, 2x square plus 2x plus 1, 2x square divide x square, then 2 plus 2, 2x square minus माइनस प्लस। माइनस माइनस एक्स स्क्वायर माइनस दिस साइन माइनस माइनस x cancel out, x cube minus x cube, 2x square plus 1 plus 2, 2x square minus 2 minus plus this cancel equal remainder 3, px equals to x plus 2, qx equals to rx equals to 3, degree of rx equals to 0, rx equals to 3, then degree of rx equals to 0. Give the example of polynomial px, gx, qx and rx which satisfy division algorithm, and this degree of px equals to degree of qx, degree of qx equals to degree of rx, degree of rx equals to 0. First, let many example, इस तरह के बहुत से एग्जाम्पल आप दे सकते हैं. Many example of this condition satisfy. Then let 2x square plus 4x plus 2 gx, this gx, degree of px equals to degree of qx, degree of px इक्वल होगा डिग्री ऑफ qx, डिग्री ऑफ डिविडेंड, डिग्री ऑफ क्वोशेंट इक्वल तभी होगी जब आपका डिविजर क्या होगा, कांस्टेंट होगा. तो देन px gx कांस्टेंट, एनी एग्जांपल्स, rx 0. जरूरी नहीं है आप rx 0 ले, कोई भी संख्या आ सकती है, आप इसके 2 की मल्टीपल ने लेकर के कोई भी ले सकते हैं. तो px इक्वल्स टू 2x स्क्वायर प्लस 4x प्लस 2, या एनी एग्जांपल आप x स्क्वायर प्लस x प्लस 3 भी लिख सकते हैं. डिवाइड करेंगे 2 से तो आपका यही आएगा, क्वोशेंट जो आएगा वो डिग्री 2 की टर्म में ही आएगा. देन px equals to 2x square plus 4x plus 2 gx equals to 2, rx equals to 0 आएगा, या आप निकालेंगे तो आ जाएगा. बाय डिवीजन एल्गोरिथम qx equals to px upon gx, तो qx डिवाइड किया तो रिमाइंडर क्या आएगा आपका, qx तो ये आ जाएगा और rx क्या आएगा आपका 0 आएगा रिमाइंडर. लेट px gx x cube x square. In this case, degree of qx और degree of rx, degree of qx और degree of rx क्या होनी चाहिए, इक्वल होनी चाहिए. Then x square plus 2x square plus 2x plus 1 x square plus 1 by division algorithm px equals to gx multiply qx plus rx. On dividing px by gx, we get px divide gx, then get quotient x plus 2, remainder x minus 1, degree of quotient or degree of remainder are equal. Qx equals to x plus 2, rx equals to x minus. This implies that degree of qx equals to degree of rx. Let px equals to x square plus 2x minus x plus 1, gx equals to x square minus 1. On dividing px by gx, divide किया तो quotient x plus 2, remainder 3. qx equals to x plus 2, remainder 3, degree of remainder equals to 0. ये आपका एक्सरसाइज 2.3 कंप्लीट है. कुछ some important examples